Today I want to give you a closer look at this arched bookshelf. I was gifted this by the brand so that I could test it out, so let's take a closer look. The first thing I did was get everything out of the box and lay it out and kind of get familiar with all of the pieces. All of the pieces and the hardware were really clearly labeled, and there is a great instruction manual to help you build this. From start to finish, this only took me a couple of hours. I was able to do almost everything by myself. I did use my husband to lift the bookshelf upright when it got to that point. The hardware kit includes all of the tools that you need. I did end up using an electric screwdriver just to make it go a little bit faster. From the moment that I opened this box, I recognized the higher quality of the materials used to make this shelf. The wood they've used, the hardware they've used, and even the handles are all really high quality, and you can tell. The glass in these windows is real tempered glass, and everything just looks and feels really high quality. The LED light strips that are in this shelf are such a cool addition and going to be so perfect for displaying those beautiful treasures that you have. There are 3 different shelves in this cabinet in addition to the arched shelf at the very top, and then on the bottom we have 2 drawers as well. I was honestly impressed with how much this bookshelf could hold. The lights actually have 3 modes. There is a white, a blue, and a warm light, and then you can adjust the brightness as well. This arched bookshelf is so beautiful and such an elegant piece. It's going to fit well into many different styles of decor in your home. The quality is unmatched, and if you're looking for a bookshelf, I would highly recommend this one.